Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I will show you how to make dynamic slider in Adobe XD like this. To make dynamic slider in Adobe XD, the first thing we have to do is to type out numbers from 0 to 9 and then we duplicate that number 3 times or 6 times or 10 times depending on your project. But in this case I want to duplicate it 3 times, so I duplicated it 3 times. So after duplicating 3 times you have to duplicate it again to have this other one, and after that you group it. So what I'm going to do is to take this particular set of numbers. Before that I will have to delete this. Place it on the center or at the center. Bring this other one, you do the same thing, place on the center, select it, place shift and select two of them together and then at the center. The next thing is to draw out a rectangle to cover the two numbers, the two first numbers, the zeros. After doing that, I will go to my layers panel. I'll select the first three rectangle and this one, and then I'll go to object. I'll click on max with shape and have that. After that, I will change the color of this. I think it's perfect. The next thing I'm going to do is to make duplicate. I have to duplicate this. Then I'll take this to the right hand side. I'll change the color of that. Go to my asset panel, change the color. The next thing I'm going to do is to adjust the numbers to a particular number I want. In this case, I want it to be at 30 seconds. So I'll double click. I will take this particular one up to 3 till I have 3. Then I'll move to this other one. I'll adjust it till I have the last 0. So after centering that, I'll change the opacity of this. I'll also change the color of this to red, same as this one, to red. I'll also adjust this, so I'll group this. I'll select everything here, then I'll group it, then I'll have to adjust. The next thing I will do is to go to prototype. You can see I'm already in prototype. So I will click and I will drag this extension to the next artboard. Then I'll go to the right hand side. I'll say when drag, I want it to auto animate to this artboard. So this out is the one I choose. The same thing with this other one. I want this one when drag, I want it to go to this, the first one. This out. So the next thing I'm going to do is go to preview. So you can see. As you can see, I am on the preview mode right now. So to test what we just designed, I will just drag this, see what happens. If I drag it back, I drag it again. Look at the lower side and see what is happening. That's it for today. Please don't forget, hit the subscription button and hit on the notification bell. Thank you.